Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla, and right about now we are going to take a look into a place that is called Church Road, Harlesden, Northwest London. That's in the UK. You see me? Where residents complain of being attacked by police officers, the Britain police officers. You see me? The police officers them are do. I don't know if this is like a curfew or they call this a spot check or what them call it, but for some reason them pepper spray quite a few people. One lady fainted, went to the hospital with another little youth and all these things, you know. So here I am showing you what go on. You know me bring to you what hot on social media, but before me play this video, I have to make sure I'm telling you that some of these scenes might not be suitable for everyone, you know. So viewer discretion is advised for this, alright? Please observe.
This is what taxpayers' money goes to. Huh? I used to be a criminal. I'm not a criminal no more, but they still criminalize me. This one, yes sir. Yeah, don't bother talk to me, because I'm going to post up the video. Watch him smiling, the DUTTYN. Watch the DUTTYN smiling. Watch the video that I posted of this man later on. Yeah, to show you how they work. Yeah, yeah. Him thinks that I wasn't. Well, you think I hold back things? That man right there. So watch the video that I posted of him later on. Yeah? Me not like them. Yeah? If they tell me to move back, I'll move back. Yeah? Because me no want to go into no Babylon shop with these stinking people. Yeah? But it's just a fact, it's a fact. They went across the road because they've made a woman go to hospital and they know it's gonna go into the media. Yeah? So now they're looking for something. Yeah? There's nothing here for them. Yeah? They'll probably find a penny sweet on the floor. Yeah? And then try and put it in an evidence bag. Yeah? Watch, they're gonna find a penny sweet and put it in an evidence bag and go on like they just found something. Yeah? They're gonna take out the people. Look, there's all a little baby inside it and all these things. These people now are shame. Them now are shame. Yeah? When the word fire burn a Babylon, that's what it means. Because they are not to protect the public. Yeah? They're here to distress the public, as you can see. Yeah? They're here to distress the public. Imagine that. Huh? Look at this. They've actually come out with riot police as well. Come on now. So you're deliberately trying to cause the area to be in uproar about many things. The community was already grieving people that's passed. And this is how they deal with the community. Yeah? This is how they deal with the community. Look at this. They've gone from the estate where there was nothing going in. This one, he's one of the worst. Dealt with him already. Still got the video. I'll probably put it up later on about this one right here, sir. Tried to bother me while I was in my slippers. Yeah? Taking a walk because I got a bad leg. Yeah? And then come try to stress me. They surround me. This one right here, sir. Yeah? Well, I would otherwise known as battle axe. Yeah? Alright, you call me. Yeah? Come round to the community. Yeah, you can see him on my other video because I got a live shot of him already. Yeah? And the nasty attitude that these people have for people doing nothing. Oh my God, it's incredible. Get me off of it. Alright, cool. Bye. Yeah, if you're anywhere near me, you will be.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah?
Oh God. All I did was go to the market. Yeah?
Please. Haircut, you know. Imagine. I'm glad I'm a dreadlocks, you know. Me not trim. Me not trim. It look like if you go barber shop, you're up to things. Yeah? You good now, yeah? You good, yeah? Yeah? All the people that they originally arrest, look, see, he's off about his business. That's another one that they arrest, yeah, and had in handcuffs. Every person they had in handcuffs has been released from handcuffs, yeah? A lady who was minding after her grandson is now in an ambulance. Yeah? They've left literally from across the road to go to a barber's to put all the barbers in handcuffs. What is the matter with these people? We got our own people dying on the streets, and this is what these people get up to. Yeah, this is Church Road right now. Yeah, Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. This is Church Road right now. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah.
Don't get that palmer.
Look at this. For Church Road. Look at these people. Look at these people. Huh? The residents. I live here. I live here. I've got my door key.
All this argument is too deep. All this shouting ain't doing us no good.
This is happening right now. Yeah? This is right now. Yeah? Look at this German Shepherd holding a German Shepherd. Huh?
You as well. You as well. Come here. Come here.
Aye. No. Get the milk. Get milk. You need milk. You need milk, brother. You need milk. You need milk. You need milk.
You will escalate the situation.
Taking the fucking piss, bro.
None of them had weed. None of them had weed.
And no one's got weed. And this time no one ain't got Nick blood. You're fucking taking them.
Take the footage, don't cast, don't let it escalate. You put it to the Daily Mail. Now you put it to the Daily Mail. Arguing ain't helping. But if they want us to behave aggressive, don't do it. Don't rise to that occasion. No, I know. But that's I watch the sister. I know. That's the way they see us. That's how we see them. Later in slavery when
They don't do nothing for no one. This is what you lot cause. Every time when you lot come out here, this is what you lot cause. You don't know nothing for no one out here.
Now the dog says stop. Stop. Don't wind them up. Stop it. Push it. Don't do it. Every you take out your camera, but don't approach them.
Everybody's out here today.
Don't approach. Take out your cameras. Is she okay? Let's get a fire. What is with you?
A gang thing I deal with. Alright, you move like gang for real. A gang thing I deal with. I don't even know.
So he was running his mouth till he realised I was filming him. Look a boy that. Kill him like
See what these rocks are dealing with now. That's what I'm saying. Hold on, this person looks like they...
A man getting a trim. Are they on you like that?
Look at this. Oh my days. That shows they're not content. They're not content. Watch this.
You lot for real?
They're not content.
You're harassing no. You lot for real?
Oh my days, the barber, everybody.
Is that what you're doing? Is that your job?
I really can't believe this.
In the barbershop there now.
I can't believe this. This is because they didn't get no results
It's because they
with the
didn't get no
residents.
results, so they're doing anything they
Oh
can.
my days! You people are just wicked. Can I help me? I live here. You people are just wicked, and I'm not addressing you. I'm addressing my phone. So don't address me. Please do not address me. Yeah. If you're telling me to move back, I'll move back. But don't chat to me.
People
yeah?
batting their hair.
I can't believe these people. Now they're coming. Oh my days. I just can't believe this. Look at this, the local barber. Look at this. They've got, because they feel embarrassed and they know it's going to hit the newspapers. Hold on, let me turn this around. because they know it's going to hit the newspapers, yeah, that they've made a woman go to hospital, yeah? These people right here, these same set of people, look at the distance between there and there. Look at the distance, the ambulance hasn't even left good yet, yeah? Look at the ambulance in the background, yeah? They've distressed a young boy that was only going to the shop, my neighbor, yeah? And then the mother is now in that ambulance behind us, yeah? And because nobody had no drugs, no guns, no knife, and done anything of a criminal nature, they've now come to the local barbers, where you normally get your hair cut.
So there you have it, residents of Harlesden, Northwest London, complaining about being attacked by the police officers. You see me? We're not sure if it is a curfew or anything. Not sure what they're really looking for, but knowing the law, there is always a reason. You see it, and you know so that most people might not agree with what the law have to do or how them carry out them thing. However, they are more concerned about the lady and the people, I should say, the people who actually gone to the hospital because of the harassment and the pepper spray, you see me, and all these things. But you don't know it go. When police are do them work, just stay out of them way as much as possible. You understand? And just keep yourself safe. Alright? So if you never know what they go on now, you know, because you know said the Dancehall Skilla bring to you what go on social media as always. So if you're new to my channel, and want to stay up to date, you don't know you have to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Alright, my name is Skilla, and this way just say a Dancehall Skilla ENT on a big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla ENT.